We're at the Cosmos and Sylvie project, downtown Madison, Wisconsin. We're using the Graco F800 fireproofing machine. We use Graco products for a lot of installations, fire stopping, air vapor barriers, but this is the first time we've used one for fireproofing at this scale.
Well, this project has been challenging, but with this equipment, it helped us tremendously.
We're getting production rates anywhere from 35 to 40 bags an hour. I think we've had over 200 bags in an 8-hour day, which is pretty phenomenal. We've had upwards of 400 to 450 foot of hose on it. So far, it's been able to handle whatever we've asked of it, and we really haven't found the limits of it yet.
The cleanup and setup is very easy. The pressure has been amazing. It's always consistent, and it helps the sprayer to have a nice and even finish at the end.
So far, the results that we've had with the F800, I'd choose one over a rotor stator pump any day. The support from Graco has been excellent. We haven't had a breakdown and probably over 1,000 hours of spraying. We're pretty impressed with this machine, and we'll probably get some more.